Guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to type a text in paper and model space. So firstly, I'm gonna just draw out whatever I want, and then to type a text. So for usually what I'll do is I'll go to the left hand side of my screen, and there will be a text button right here. So I'll just click on it. Click once and then I'll open it and click the second time to lock the the text in. So you can change your font here, but I'll just use the text that they give, and you can change the font size. So for this I set the limits to an A4 paper size, so I will just go with probably a 5 for my font size, and then I will type what I want. So I'll just call this building A. Once I'm done, I will click OK. So this is what you get once you click OK. So if you're not happy with it for whatever reasons, so you first click it, highlight it. If you want to move it, click this, and it says text location. You just click it and you can start moving around wherever you want it to. And if you're not happy with the font size, you right click and there will be a text edit here, and then it goes back to this settings here, and over here if you want to change the text size, just highlight the text and then change it. Maybe I'll go one size bigger to a 6 and press OK. So this is how you type text on a model space. So for a paper space, I'll just click here on the left bottom corner. So I'll just click it. And so to type in paper space, you first bring out the lines to the dotted lines. Okay, so this is it. So similarly, if you want to type a text, go to this text icon on the left, click it once, and then click whatever you want it to be on the paper space, and click the second time to lock in the location. And after that, for paper space, usually I'll keep it between 3 to 5. So I'll do 5 this time. Similarly, like what I did in the model space, just type in, okay, so for this, I'll say let's say exercise 6.2, and then enter my name. And yeah, so once you're done, just you either click OK. So if you're not happy with wherever this is, just click it. See this location, bring it wherever you want. Or if you want it to be narrower, you see this arrow here, this is the width, you bring it in, so it will go down this way. So it's the width will be narrower, but I want my name to be on the same line, so I'll just do it like that. So yeah, so this is basically how you type the text in model and paper space.